So many things have changed during this coronavirus pandemic. If you happen to be caring for a loved one at home, there's some help out there to help you. So we have invited our expert in estate planning, David Carrier, here to talk about a special Zoom conference going on this Wednesday to share important information about a program that really might benefit a lot of families. Welcome back to 8West, David.
Thank you, Terry.
So
Glad to be here.
Let's talk about this program, because this is something that people can get access to, helping to provide care in the home of their loved ones.
Right. And now for years now, we've been pushing that. Yeah, I mean, you've heard about it from us on the radio show and here. We've been pushing the PACE program. That's a program of all-inclusive care for the elderly, PACE. It's a Medicaid program. It's paid for. You don't contribute to it. Once you qualify, you qualify. And it's at-home care, okay? It's not go to the nursing home and go to long-term care facility. And that's very important these days, because one of the things that's evolving that we're finding out is the degree to which this virus, the COVID-19, is targeting elderly people. And you can get all angry, as I don't want to lose it here. Look, if you're in a nursing home, you're 70 times more likely to die of COVID-19 as anybody else. In New Jersey, 10% of the nursing home population has died of COVID-19. And it's because in 3 states, New York, New Jersey, and guess which one the third is, the governors have required nursing homes to accept people with COVID-19, people who are infected with it. And then, to nobody's surprise, it spreads. And as a consequence, although it's only 1 in 200 people, only 1 in 200 are in nursing home in America. And yet, 42%, in other words, about 80 out of 200 of the people who have died, all right, if 200 people died, 80 of them are in long-term care. Do the math.
Okay.
It's unbelievable.
All right, so let's talk about the PACE program. Exactly what kinds of services would that provide to someone? Is it everything from
That's the beauty thing about PACE, because it's everything. It's pharmacy, it's durable medical equipment, it's supplies, it's even light housekeeping. They'll come to the house. We have clients, see, they've got a central senior center. Well, we're not using the senior center anymore. Brand new facility, beautiful facility. We're not using it right now for obvious reasons. And so they're coming out to the house. So they do personal hygiene. They administer medications. They do monitoring. Okay, everything that gets done at a long-term care facility is delivered to you. Now, it is not 24/7 nursing care. No, it's not that. But it's everything but that. And you know, for most people, that's enough.
Right, exactly. So let's talk about the idea. I know that you have life plan workshops typical. I mean, this is, of course, an atypical time, but you're doing those virtually, but you also sometimes invite visiting experts to come in and provide part of the programming. And this week, you have a workshop that is virtual that will actually enlist the expertise of these visiting experts. Why don't you explain exactly how this is going to work and the kinds of information that people will be able to receive?
Sure. Well, you know, it's one thing for me to tell you how PACE works and everything else. We thought it would be a good idea for you to hear it straight from the horse's mouth. So what we have are the people who are working in PACE, the leaders of PACE, to go through their, let them tell you. And that's at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. All you have to do is pick up the phone, give us a call, 888-463-2843, anywhere long distance, or 616-361-8400. We'll give you the link, or you can email us, david@davidcarrierlaw.com, or you can go to the website. We try to make it easy.
Right.
So there's all different ways for you to get it.
Yeah, to get connected. And let's quickly talk about your offices are open by appointment for people who need to come in and meet with you and your team. Your offices are throughout West Michigan, correct?
That's correct. In Norton Shores, Holland, Portage, and of course, Grand Rapids. But we're not open, because we're locked down till the 12th. But what we are doing though is, we sanitized everything. We've got plexiglass screens up everywhere. We've got masks. We've got gloves. We've got sanitizer. It's like going into an operating room almost. We've got traffic patterns so people don't run into each other. I mean, we're really taking this stuff very seriously because it's our clients, primarily older folks, who are getting hit the hardest by this. And we're not going to contribute to that. We're going to keep people safe, and we're going to get the ducks in a row.
Right, and if people are interested in making an appointment or in connecting, they can do that by easily connecting through your website, correct?
That's right, davidcarrierlaw.com. We do a lot of the meetings just like we're doing this right now, where we have people at home. We do it on the phone. We talk to people through the window at the house. I mean, we've done all kinds of stuff. We've been here for our clients throughout this pandemic. We will continue to be here for you. Look, the world's going crazy sometimes. You look around and it's like, what is going on here? The good news is we've been here through it all for our clients, delivering what the clients need, what your family needs. And we're not going to stop that because of, well, you name it.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, well, thanks so much, David, and stay hopeful and stay healthy, and we'll connect to you, obviously, in the weeks and months ahead. Have a great day.
Thank you, Terry. Thank you very much.